Previously on Forgotten Gear Restorations.
Oh, Rick, something terrible's happened. Oh. All right, Max, I couldn't help myself. Curiosity's getting the best of me, buddy. I get inside of this Chubster, and I noticed this. The little details. I wonder if cleat shielding is going to be a thing in the future. I bet Paul was hedging his bets that it was going to be. But we'll see what's up, man. We'll get all this cleaned up for you. All right, Max, no fancy lighting here. Let's just work our way through the city streets. These guys are crispy. They need to come out. Let me flip her over and show you what else I saw, at least initially. And from that video that I showed you, buddy, this was the same offending character, this Rifa cap, or Rifa. And on these old Tektronix scopes, not this one, thank God, this is before the Rifa days, but on some of the more contemporary scopes, but still contemporary vintage, these caps are known to fail horribly and in a spectacular fashion. The last one I worked on while I was checking voltages, it erupted suddenly and violently, and there was like a 1-foot plume of pressurized smoke coming out of it. It was awful, absolutely awful. But let me get through this thing. I'm not seeing anything obvious, but I will be taking this guy out. Update soon.